Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm bringing you something that honestly feels like the future. Imagine never having to juggle a dozen AI apps or shell out over $400 every month just to stay ahead in the game. That's not a fantasy anymore. Meet AI SuperBOt, the tool that's about to shake up how we use AI for real. So, what is AI SuperBOt? Think of it as your ultimate AI command center. One interface. Every premium AI tool you can think of. Whether you're into creating killer content, crunching numbers, or automating boring tasks, AI SuperBOt just does it. No more logging into different platforms or managing endless subscriptions. Let's break down why this is so cool. First, the unified interface. Everything you need, right there in one chat. No switching, no hassle. Second, the cost. Seriously, we all know how those AI subscriptions add up fast. With SuperBOt, you're slashing that crazy $400+ monthly bill, maybe down to just a fraction. And third, intelligent integration. It doesn't just plug in all your favorite tools, it actually combines their strength. That means smarter results faster. But here's what I love. It's genuinely user-friendly. Whether you're a total tech nerd like me or just starting to play with AI, SuperBOt gets you. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and honestly just fun to use. So how can you use it? Content creators can whip up blog posts, scripts, and marketing stuff in seconds. Data nerds can analyze those monster spreadsheets without breaking a sweat. And if you're into automating the boring parts of your job, SuperBOT's got your back there too. Bottom line, if you're tired of paying through the nose for mediocre AI tools or wasting time switching to clean apps, AI SuperBOt is a total game changer. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.